Najivunia shule ya Urejesho, kweli yapendeza, kweli yavutia. Shule ya Urejesho nitaitukuza, nitailinda maishani mwangu.
In the outskirts of Bungoma, in Sikalame village, there lies a community school, the Restoration Community Support Center. This is a school that nurtures and helps the vulnerable students achieve their goals in life. According to the pioneer of the school, Bishop Byason Mwami Makapila, he was inspired to start the school when he finished his high school studies due to many students who were unable to go to school due to lack of school fees and other essential needs.
My name is Byason Makapila. I'm the founder of Restoration Community Support Center in Sikalame. We started this school in the year 2016. A few years after I had done my Form 4, and I schooled in this environment, and I saw the need of the children, because most of the children were just home. They could not afford to go to school to pay fees in public schools and also in other private schools around. And we came together as a family, and we had a thought of how we can help these children. We first began a church, and we had many people coming to fellowship with us. And after some investigations with those church members, we realized most of them are not taking their children to school. So we asked why, and they said because they were unable to take their children to school. Most of them were widows, widowers, and orphans. So we started basing on a religious foundation as a school, and we came to understand that it's not only our church, but many children within the community were just at home because of lack of money to take their children to public schools or other private schools. So we started a school, and that's why it is running up to now. It has now been in operation for about 9 years, and we now run the school from ECT to grade 7, which is junior secondary school. And we are praying that may God bring on board people who are like-minded, that can support with various activities within the school, and we shall thank God. May God bless you as you prepare to support.
Despite students learning so well and achieving their goals, there are some challenges that the school faces. Madam Karen Lutatwa, the head teacher of the school, highlights some of the challenges the school faces.
Karen Lutatwa, the head teacher at Restoration Community Support Center. It is a school that we offer support to the needy kids to get education, food, and other needs that they require. So in the Restoration Community Support Center, we try our best, and the most challenging issue here in our center is water. The source of water is giving us problems. We have a borehole at the school, but it dries up during the dry season. So we were praying and hoping that one day, if we get well-wishers to help us at least get a source of water that is reliable, we shall continue with our work with ease. Then we also have a problem in infrastructure at the school. We need to construct some classrooms and staff room for the teachers. And also we are praying for land expansion for the kids. For example, the playground is so small here at the center. So if we get expansion on land, our kids will have enough space to exercise and also do their day-to-day activities, including PE activities and games times and break times.
We have the number 024024. We carry that vote. 0 as what? 0. Then when we have a correct number above 5, we round off to the nearest 1. To the worker into 1. Into 1. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round off to 1.
The teachers and the students have requested the well-wishers to support the school to meet their required needs so that the school and the students can attain their goals.
Swinging, we need children to play outside, and we lack for that. And also, we have a lot of material that we need inside the classes.
We don't have a playing ground. We have a hill which we would like to have a sponsor or a well-wisher can have a good will to come and assist us on this hill so that we can have a flat playground. We don't have a playing ground.
Some of the water sources get dry off on the way. Springs, wells, they get dry off. Our learners are expected to go out to look for water. We wish that we could have some well-wishers, friends and donors who may chip in and help us to drill some water to support the school program of restoration.
Have the challenge of learning materials. Also, we have a challenge of staff room. So if the well-wishers can hear us, they can help us so that we can promote these children as the school suggests Restoration Community Support Center so that we can support all the pupils around this community.
However, the parents that have students in this school could not hide their joy as they continue to praise the management of the school for taking good care of their children while in school, as they ensure that their children have a proper meal every day despite them not paying any single cent for the services provided by the school.
It is a school that aims at supporting the vulnerable and the general needy and the orphans. We do support the needy, the vulnerable. They don't pay fee. They only do lunch program here and we teach them. So even as teachers, the whole supports, the whole school, the management, the teachers, they are here to support.
Alianzia kwa shule ya serikali ya Bapi. Lakini huka alikuwa yani wenzake walikuwa hawamtaki. Sasa nikaonelea kuwa nimlete. Ila alikuja huku. Walimu na wenzake hata director walimkaribisha tena, wanafurahia yeye. Lakini huko walikuwa hata hawamtaki. Sana pitia kwa changamoto ambazo sometimes hata siwezi, lakini hata hapo wananisaidia.
Shule hii ya Urejesho nimepata manufaa mengi kama mzazi. Kwanza shule yenyewe haiko mbali, watoto wangu wanafika shule mapema, shule iko karibu. Jambo la pili ambalo nimefurahia na shule hii ni kwamba mkurugenzi wa shule hiyo, watoto hawasumbukani chakula, watoto lunch. Mimi nyumbani mimi sina lunch, lakini nafurahia kwa sababu watoto wangu wanapoenda shule asubuhi, lunch niko sure watoto wangu watapata lunch. Jambo lingine nafurahia na hiyo shule, yani tunashukuru tu Mwenyezi Mungu sababu ya hiyo shule na mkurugenzi pamoja na walimu katika shule hiyo, sababu masomo yenye watoto wetu wanapata pia kwa hiyo shule ni masomo mazuri. Nakuta mtoto wangu kuna wakati alikuwa na marafiki zake, watoto wanamfunza tabia mbaya. Mtoto wangu alipofika kwenye shule hii, saizi mtoto wangu ana nidhamu na nafurahia kuwa mzazi katika shule hii, shule ya Urejesho. Mkurugenzi wetu pamoja na mwalimu mkuu pamoja na walimu wa shule hiyo, ninamshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu na Mungu azidi kuwapanulia matarajio ya shule yenu. Sijui mnapanga kufanyia nini shule, lakini Mungu mwenyewe aweze kuwasaidia na akaweze kuwapanulia.
Class, we said that computer is an electronic device that uses data to produce information. So it is an electronic device because it is using electricity. I think you have seen there a generator in producing power for this computer to transparent, isn't it? So as I said, these are the full system of the computer. This is the monitor. As I told you, the graph is monitor or screen.
The school equips their learners with the computer lessons to ensure the learners are at par with the technology.
Maybe you want to support us, you look this video and you are moved to support this center, you can communicate with us through the number 0714693946. 0714693946 or 0705001967, and I'm sure God will bless you.
Shuleni zare zapendeza, masomo darasani nayo yavutia, masomo shuleni nayo ni ya bure, nitailinda maishani mwangu. Mkurugenzi wetu naye hatujali, walimu wetu nao ni walezi, walimu wetu watufunza vyema.